Hi there. Let's make ordering through our B2B Customer Portal nice and easy. First, log into your account. From here, you'll see your dashboard where you can browse all our products. If there are items you order regularly, like cleaning chemicals, packaging, or glassware, it's a great idea to add them to your favorites list. To do this, simply search for a product or find it in your usual category. Then click the heart icon next to the product name. That's it. You've just added your first favorite. You can repeat this step for all the products you order most often. When you're ready to place an order, go to the Favorite section in the top menu. You'll see all your saved items in one easy list. No need to search each time. From here, you can quickly adjust quantities, add everything to your cart, and check out in just a few clicks. Setting up your favorites list saves time, keeps your orders consistent, and makes reordering effortless. So take a moment to build your list today and enjoy faster, easier ordering every time you log in.